Alright guys, Coach Vela's back for another quick tutorial on how to write a linear equation from a table. So first thing we want to do, guys, remember we have to use when writing in a linear equation is our slope-intercept form, which here for us, let me make sure the right colors, is y equals mx plus b. Remember always that m is our slope and b is the y-intercept. Now, the y-intercept is super easy to find when we're looking at a graph because, like we talked about, a y-intercept is where a line is crossing the y-axis, okay? That point's going to be crossing the y-axis. Well, one thing we have to remember is that any time it's crossing the y-axis, our x has to be 0. So look, when we look at this table, we know that 1 is my y-intercept because x is 0. So I put a 1 right there because this point would be 0, 1. So just like we did with our graphs, we've already identified our y-intercept. Now, there are some situations where x is not given, or when x is 0, that's not given, so you have to work backwards to kind of find it. All right, so here we're going to mark b is equal to 1, and we're going to move that off to the side. Now for slope, we're going to use that same slope formula we've been using. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can pick any point on your table or points on your table. I try to stay away from anything that has a 0, so I'm going to go here as my x1, that's my x2, here's my y1, and this is my y2. So the formula is y2 first, so that's 7 minus 4, again, y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4 on top. The bottom is going to be 2 minus 1, again, x2 minus x1. So we work those out top first. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our slope, or the rate of change, is going to be 3. So now once we have both our m and our b, we can substitute them into our equation. So here we have y equals, instead of m, I'm going to substitute in my 3. X plus my b is a positive 1, so plus 1. If it was a negative 1, we could put minus 1 or minus negative 1. Things you always want to remember, guys, try to find your y-intercept first, then try to look at your slope. Since these numbers are increasing, 1, 4, 7, 13, 16, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, we know we're going to have a positive slope. Hope this helps. Have a good day.